Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to show a little deconstructed Halloween journal that I made last year that I've added some pages to and just changed it up a little bit. So I wanted to do another flip through and just let you know that it is available in my Etsy shop. Like I say, it's a little mini clipboard, so you can totally make this your own. It has 18 pages, a couple of tags, and then a lot of stickers in there. It's just a lot of fun, I think, to set out on a coffee table or you know, as a prop for part of your Halloween. The front is just a little digital here that says The Haunted Mansion. And then a lot of the pages are blank. And then this one just says Trick or Treat, little cat and pumpkin. This one says Poison Apple. This is just a little digital. Salem Broom Company, Rides Like Magic. And then a little witch. And then this was just a digital. Blank paper. This is another little digital. And then it says, I'd turn back if I were you. And then it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. How to banish a ghost. And then just another little sticker with a little ghost on there. And then this is a tag that I made that it's a little cowardly lion, and it says, I do believe in spooks, I do believe in spooks, I do. And a blank page, and then just a couple of extra blank pages here at the back with a couple of stickers on them. So that's it. It is for sale in my Etsy shop, and I appreciate your time.